These videos were originally intended for my own amazing grandkids, Maya, Jacob, Zachary, Amelia and Inika. But we thought, having made them, why not let everybody play? April 2020, all of our lives have been turned upside down with this coronavirus. So we've been looking for things to amuse ourselves at DIY Doctor. And our sister building company Foundations Up, we just need to have some fun during the day. And so we thought we'd try a few science experiments. Then we kind of figured you might get something out of them as well. So this is for all the people stuck indoors that have got a few of these bits and pieces. I had no idea how much stuff scientists need. But we hope you have fun with it, and we're going to be making some cool stuff. Okay, so for our first experiment at home, you're going to need a roll of roofing felt, a little drill, a gallon of creosote and a chop saw. Not really. Welcome to another DIY Dr. Science video. This is a really lovely one. This is how we can see sound. Sound travels through the air when you speak, or there's a noise, a bang or whatever, travels through the air in waves, and those waves are a form of energy, and we can actually see that happening by getting some cling film and stretching it over a bowl. You'll need an adult to help you to cut the cling film, and possibly to help you with the stretching. It's not that easy to get it stretched really tight. We're trying to make it's like a drum. We're stretching the cling film without splitting it as tight as we can over the bowl. If you've got too many creases, it's not tight enough, but you can, by stretching it, get it quite tight over the bowl. Okay, just that little bit there, just a couple of creases. There we go. Okay, so that's stretched quite tight over the bowl. And what we're going to do now is put our finger in the middle and make a little bit of a depression, not too hard, and then we're going to tip a few hundreds and thousands in the centre. Okay, and then we're going to move our finger slowly. I'm going to get down next to the bowl and I'm going to hum. I'm not breathing, I'm not blowing them, I'm just humming. And the bowl will pick up those sound waves and it will start to vibrate, and as the bowl vibrates, so will the cling film, and you'll see the hundreds and thousands jumping about. So this is how we can see sound. How cool is that?